today we are going to make a winter wreath. I really wanted to go with more things that were snow-like and winter-like since we had our first snow of the season in December, which is really strange for South Carolina. So let's get going. First things first, I have my grapevine wreath, and I'm going to place all of my bigger flowers in first. This is all from AC Moore. They had everything Christmas 50% off, which is awesome. So I'm gonna put this big poinsettia first. It has poinsettia with little crystals on it, some Christmas tree leaves, and a pine cone, and some little berries. So I'm going to put that right on the side like so. Next I'm gonna put this beautiful peony in here, and I'm going to place it more going up. Up the opposite way of that poinsettia. There we go, just like that. Isn't that pretty? All right, next I have these two hydrangeas that I'm going to place on either side of those two flowers. All right, so there we go. So far, all the flowers are placed. Now I'm going to place these fun little twigs that have crystals on them that look like they're frozen. And I'm just going to place these anywhere and everywhere that I see that they can fit. So now that I've gotten all of those placed, I'm going to wrap some snowflake ribbon around the entire thing, and then I will show you what it looks like when we're done. So that is our winter wreath. We have all of our fun snow pieces and our frozen twigs and petals and our snowflake ribbon. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this fun tutorial of how to make this wreath as well as our Christmas tree decorating, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.